Join me today as we tour this beautifully refreshed home in the heart of the Glen. You're just minutes from Lake Glenview, the Park District, Gallery Park, and all the shopping, dining, and entertainment the Glen has to offer. Step inside and you'll notice the rich hardwood floors and a layout with flow and flexibility. The kitchen is the true centerpiece of the home, which directly connects to the spacious family room. Upstairs, the primary suite is a retreat all its own, complete with a cozy sitting area and fireplace. The ensuite bath offers dual vanities, a huge tub, and a separate shower. Upstairs, you'll find 4 more big bedrooms, 2 additional bathrooms, and more gleaming hardwood. With over 4,400 square feet of living space, this home offers the layout updates and the location you've been waiting for. If you'd like more info on 1699 Bluestem Lane or any other Glenview homes, reach out anytime. And for exclusive access to our newest listings, be sure to like and subscribe.